Am I audible? Somebody please say yes. Okay, super. Namaste, Guruji. Crude oil. Crude oil. BOL means क्या? I don't understand. वो BOL क्या होता है? बहुत लॉस हो गया. 5 लाख था. अच्छा यार, why did you take overnight positions here? Given that such an idiots are living in like Donald Duck, who has some serious malafide intentions, why do you take crude oil? Huh? Overnight position लिया. 20% now. So those who have continued to hold can. It looks like it will go to this 32 622. So that is another 20 odd points. Even if you take 0.5 delta, what is the delta there? So 24 650, correct? Delta is 0.38. So minimum it should go to 132 134. Crude oil. And crude oil is this. $82.90. If that is taken out straight to 90, 85, 75. This 82.90 is very critical. It is CPR. Usually CPR below any index. Forget about crude, Nifty, Bank Nifty, anything. Everything will be down. So if it closes below 82.90 today, you have another fall of $7. That will take our market. So maybe our market is pricing for this fall. Okay, ठीक है जी. There is now it is staying at 700. So 24 700 seems to be the only next resistance. Okay, because even where the C is still adding, they are adding only at 24 700, and now is the time to add. Okay, adjustment here. Put original put enable put adjustment. Ideal will be to sell 2 lots, but I don't think I have adjustment there. Ideal will be, let me see whether I can add 2 lots there. No. Hmm. Nice, sir. It can go up only if some bombing, etc. takes place. Okay. Otherwise, there is no possibility of crude going up. It may even go down. It looks like no. Once that point I said 82.90, वो अगर वो इसका नीचे गया तो गया काम से एटलीस्ट फॉर couple of days because that CPR is a day chart CPR and that is usually very powerful to cross again. So you may have to wait, Shiv Kumar. Maybe you may have to wait. Are you new to this channel? Shiv Kumar Komalbar. I have not seen. I forgot. And there was one more Shiv Kumar. I took it. उनका नाम मैं सोच लिया था. अब पहली बार आए क्या इस चैनल का? Agurahi. Agurahi means Yeah, Hajurahi, please guide. Hanji, Agurahi means I am not getting your answer. See, if it goes below 82.90, no, there is I don't know how far it can go down. It can go down to 75. But if there is, see, this is totally news based. Nobody will be able to predict. It is like no taking a chance that it will fall further and book losses or think that it will come up. So tomorrow anything can happen. Again, these people go and bomb something on state of Humoras. Immediately crude will go up by $3-4, $2-3. Or if now today Iran says, Agirachi says, yes, we are going to Washington to meet, this thing means another $5 it will fall. So how to guide, I don't know, to be very honest. Technically, below 82.90, crude will fall, can fall further. That's the only thing I can tell. Please consult your this thing. Okay, na? So it is struggling and struggling, slowly climbing. There is no major push or thrust unless no crude collapses something more. Thank you, Sagar. Thank you very much. 94 to 123 is actually our 30 points. So normally we try to get 30 points in a trade. That is already done, dusted. The problem is after the 940, I think 945 candle, because we didn't have alignment, that means there is no momentum. Meaning the trend is fine, the price action is okay 58%. Since momentum is not there, Nifty is crawling. If momentum is been there, it will start making green candles. The fundamental difference between a momentum green candle and a non-momentum green candle will be the size. If there is momentum and it is no favoring the trend, you will have a bigger candles. That is what it means. See, market, intraday is three things: trend, momentum, and price action. Still it is at 650. The resistance is at only 24 700 CE and 24 750 CE. That is where the resistance is at this point. आज सुबह सुबह ऊपर हो गया मार्केट. यस, ट्रेड करने को मौका भी नहीं मिला ना यार. When we started, it was only 98, 99 bars. Sagar, I don't know, you joined late. Go and check the video. There was a power cut. There will be two videos on 3rd August today. Go and check the video. The first video, 97, 98 mein tha, 99 mein bhi tha. Even if you have entered at 99, it is 19 points. It is almost 15% or whatever it is, correct? So, you are done and dusted for the day. You would have got the trade. It was not running away too much. The original start entry point was at 94 or 95. So 95 to 117 is what? 22 points. और क्या चाहिए यार सागर? 20 points in a 90 rupees option, 100 rupees option is 20%. अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. ठीक है ठीक है. नहीं नहीं, मैं मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, सुबह से तो कुछ नहीं बोल रहे थे ना, इसलिए मैं बोला सुबह सुबह ऊपर हो गया मार्केट ट्रेड करने के लिए. ऊपर हो गया फिर भी हमें ट्रेड मिला, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Theta decay will start now, so one should do profit and relax. Yes, yes, it will. It will. Those who have got it from the morning should have already got out of it, because once it went below our magic line, your this thing is already gone and dusted. No, why somebody should hold it till now? So it went below, correct? Shirin, you said you are from which part of India and what do you do? Mumbai, retired now, programmer earlier. Super. I think you are one of the my very very old viewer, correct? If I remember correctly, from 2025 onwards. Hmm. Hmm. Despite no Nifty making red candles, that is the strength on the inherent strength. So you can still see from 116, 117, it has already again gone back to 121 because there is so much buying. So this 180, this two, sorry, 580 thing is still holding. Balasha is still holding very, very strong. Now I think, I feel that exactly you can see our magic line has gone and touched the R5 and it is now flattening there. So that is why we use Camarilla. Correct. If probably your traditional maybe somewhere up at 650, 685 something like that, this won't make sense. But you can see very clearly it is extending and it is now flattening out. Maybe Nifty will go down and spend time in the R5. When it crosses this and makes some small candles here, I think we will get the 138, 139 at that time. Actually, originally from 97, 95, 96 to 122 is almost what? 17, 27 points, 28 points. It will be higher, much higher percentage. And also the net P and L also will be much higher. Anyway, that is not the purpose, correct? The purpose is to ensure people can enter and exit. See, the entry price jumping or stop loss coming up and all is a very, very good sign that there is good amount of strength is building up. See, that is what it is actually says, correct? From the morning, we are having only now around 650. It is existing. It was 700. Now they are playing between these two. Okay. So from here on, that is from 600 on, it is only PE. If you are new to this channel, no, say hi. Unless you understand what is being shown, it is not easy for you to trade. If you are new to this channel, no, say hi. ये बाई सेल कॉल का चैनल नहीं है, ये तो ट्रेड सेटअप का चैनल है. आपको समझना पड़ेगा ये सब क्या है, ये चार्ट क्या है, किसको देख के क्या ट्रेड करने का. इफ यू टेल हाय हाय बोलो, मैं आपको समझा दूंगा क्या करने का. सो इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल, से हाय. अदरवाइज it will be difficult for you guys to check it out, how to go about what is being shown here. After the morning fall, crude is also just hanging around in the same place. So it is also not making any move. So I mean, I think our market has already priced that. You can see very clearly, of course, there is a gradual drop. Okay, the morning low was around 83.4. Now it is at 82.71. So around 25-30 cents. And on the day chart, hourly chart auto, it's below our magic, CPR. On the day chart, it is going below our magic line number 1. I think today's close below 84.30 should ensure it is going below. Remember, whenever it goes below our magic line, see the drop here. See the drop here from 105 to 84, $20 drop. So whenever there is nowadays, because it's a news based drop, once it goes below today our magic line, that is at 84.30 and closes tonight, then we may start having seeing that it will go and test 75 first and then 71, and it can go even all the way down to 59. We don't know. Okay, so that is crude for you. slowly climbing towards 622. If no more major any movement on the crude, Nifty may settle down around 600, 625 today, because tomorrow is Nifty expiry. So they will position it accordingly, and they will keep on writing put today. People will think tomorrow kal subah niche gir jayega, etc., etc. So they will sell more and more put. And if overnight again crude falls another $1 or $2, we are no, see, decisively we have broken out. No, we can see very clearly in the day chart. See here, that is the power of our magic line. Once it leaves the magic line, it has tremendous amount of potential. Okay, so it is breaking this 1 minute. This is from April 7th to this box is getting broken today, 17th. So almost May, June, July, August, 4 months and 10 days. So 130 days of consolidation, 4 months of consolidation that was there on the Nifty. Now it is trying to cross that box. Okay. And what we have here is the stop will come at only 24 705. And of course, this line is there 592. That is what it is trying to break. So that is a kind of a top for this box. Actually, this is a 4 month consolidation. It is trying to break out. Today, Nifty has to close above 592. If it closes above 592 only, it is a breakout. Otherwise, I don't know, depending upon news, etc. If tomorrow, if it is a small red candle, then we are very much within the box. Very much within the box. Okay. In fact, we can extend it from this point. But anyway, we have considered it here. That is okay. So the high was made at 21st April. It tried. Then again 7th May it tried. And then again on 7th July it tried. So this is the fourth attempt to break that swing high. Recent swing high. 592 is the point you need to check. Let me exactly tell you the number. This is high is 530. This is only 482. So this is the one which is at 601. Sorry, it is not 592, 601. Today Nifty has to close above 24,601 for it to be a breakout. Otherwise, in my view, it is not a breakout. Again, it may be in a range. It will. Looks like, because it is crossing above at this point. Our magic line is here. For example, when last time it went towards 600, the magic line breakout happened on 7th April, and then it took almost 15 days to cross that and go up. But today, magic line is already at 24,091, and it is almost 600 points. Wow. See this here. From 2471, once it left on 30th July, the second it ended that day is what? 30th July closing price was 24,274. Since it was a clean green candle, on 30th July on day closure, if you had bought a future, okay, 24,274. So if you bought August future, from there 274 to 583, almost 300 points, you would be sitting in profit. Wow. लाइक करो भैया, लाइक. That 601 is a very, very big consolidation point. 4.5 months of consolidation point. So it won't be very, very easy to cross. Okay. Those who already got stopped out, chill. Don't do anything. Wait for it to make a clean cream candle about 24,601. Till such time, relax, muddy. Do something, twiddle your thumbs, read something. So this, since it is a 4.5 months consolidation, say let us assume Nifty closes above 620, 630 or 640 today. Tomorrow, if everything stands well, it will be another follow through will come and Nifty will go and tries to cross 700, 750 in a quick time, because it is a 4.5 months consolidation. So much buying and selling has taken place within this price range, so it will be considered as a breakout. Usually breakouts result in minimum 200 to 500 points of Nifty up move. In the same way, breakdown matters actually more. No, on a range consolidation, range breakdown, usually it goes to the 100, 300, 400 points very quickly. I would consider, if tomorrow, if no, typically it crosses and stays above today itself, closes above 24,600. Tomorrow will be another good day for the market. The reason why I am telling is there are a lot of put buyers will be there, correct? So don't do that. Don't take the put as your last savior to make money. If today, if Nifty crosses anywhere above 24,620, okay, because 600 to 620 we know we have that 600 Bajavada station. If today by chance if it closes above 623, 624 like that, no, because 622 is the R5. Then tomorrow you can be definitely sure there will be at least minimum 30, 40 points gap up. So don't rush to buy BTST on call site. I'm just telling you, don't buy put if it closes above 620 today. Yabba. Shoot. 200, almost 600 now. Nifty is trying to cross 600. Let us see. Reliance is not actually powering. Reliance, some of the tech stocks is not actually powering. If they do start to power, no, then you can have no bigger run. HDFC Bank is also just 4 rupees. TCS and Infi are the two stocks that is doing fine. ITC, Titan, Tata Com, L&T, Wipro, Tata Steel, all are up and running. Eicher Motor is up by 2% almost. IDFC First Bank, of course. ICICI is almost 0.7%. Cochin Shipyard. I think many of the shares are really flying high. Of course, all the no crude related like Asian Paint, Berger Paints, etc. and all really jumping. Indigo, 4.28% straight up. No, 220 rupees up. Ultratech Cement, State Bank of India is 16 rupees. So let us check where Sensex is. Okay, it is better to know what is actually happening on Sensex also. Even though Thursday is only the I'm getting the very delayed refresh in trading view. Is any of you are getting the same problem? When I try to load a watch list, it doesn't load. It is going on in circles like this. Huh? Is it your same case with any of you? See? Oh, now I have to keep on refreshing. I think trading view needs more power, firepower. Maybe. Hmm. So, this is our Sensex chart. Something wrong here. 6th August only. Why there is a drop, I don't know. See, Sensex is showing a put side trade. That is what is really funny. Just give me a second. Let me run the. Still, this is not upgraded, but at the straddle is 66,42,800 PEOI and call is 6,35,000. So it is equally there. So I need to ask the team to upgrade this also to that Nifty level. We have 2.23, 2.1. Call is more call at 79. 79,000 must be 1 lakh 94 to 5 lakh 90. Wow. Something really not on. This is 5 lakh 90,000 and this is 1 lakh 94. They are still writing more P. They have written 79,000 P today. Almost 5 lakh 50. So tomorrow, so 79,000 will get crossed quickly because they have started to write 79,000 put almost 50,000. No, sorry, 5 lakhs today, which is a very big number. So Sensex is also showing strength. It means that Sensex also will support the market. Mm. If you are new to this channel, say hi so that you will understand what is being shown. Mm. Mm. Wow. Hmm. Just checking whether anything funny happening in crude. Okay, that's the only thing that can derail this move. Okay, it's just our magic line is totally flat in crude. Okay, as flat it can be. So, and the crude price is just hugging around our magic line. So the bears won't want this to operators also. That is the option writers as well as bears won't want this breakout to come. As long as it stays in this tight range, the call writers and put writers will be continuously making money on a larger time frame. Those who are selling monthly call and monthly put, which has got higher, much higher premium at the beginning, they will be very happy. Last 4.5 months, some 500, 600 points. If you simply sell 500 points up and down, no, like what PR Sundar does, he has a 500 point range. So at the beginning, if it is somewhere around 2002 or 24 200 is the index, he will simply sell 23 700 put and 24 700 call. That's all. He'll keep on adding just 50 point adjustment, strikes. Free time. Let's wait and see whether it crosses that. Hmm. Maybe today it may remain in the sideways as long as crude doesn't make anything may differently. And tomorrow on a small gap up, it may try to break out. Okay. But there should be some profit booking in the range top. Okay. Once then it will take out all the bears, and then once it goes up, it will go up with a good amount of strength. There should be a profit at a always at a breakout point, some profit booking. Okay, some good amount of red candles, and bear should start taking put positions, etc. And then if the buying comes, that will be a then it will have phenomenal momentum to makes a big green candles. So as of now, it doesn't look like neither a profit booking candle is coming nor a breakout candle is coming. Still holding, just one candle took my position, cost to cost. What a scandal. P, okay. Let it run, no. Let it run. We are having some, now the magic line has to come down. If it doesn't come down, around 550 level, Nifty will again go up. Okay. Because the magic line has that strength. It has to go in the direction of Nifty, then only there will be momentum. If it stays put, it will simply attract the Nifty back to it. What does your magic go ahead? It is all red. Okay, suddenly everything is background is changing into red. So we have got now P being written. Sorry, there is more C written at 650 and P still being more P being written here. So 231, that is currently it is at 586. So this will be the straddle. 231 is OI, POI, and 256 is COI. So there is a amount of some drag in the market, meaning you will find more call is being written at this point for 24,600. Okay, so maybe it will come back to 550 or 500 and then again move up. It looks like now 600 is solid resistance. Okay, that is where it is. See, it didn't try to go up, no. So as soon as Nifty struggled to cross 24,600, immediately put writers will start coming. Okay, I mean call writers. 24,600 call right karo because it is not crossing. By Sham Taxi, what is the price now? 24,600 call is at 53 rupees. Sorry, 50 rupees. 20 रुपया 25 रुपया बना देंगे शाम तक. So they will write. Because see 24,600 I kept on repeating. It is a 4.5 months breakout point. It won't cross very easily. 4.5 months of consolidation breakout point is 24,601. If it crosses, it has to cross with some solid buying. Not Usi Patas, no small green candles and all will not help. Yeah, it is time to exit. I said in the morning itself. I don't know, Shreen. Whenever it goes below our magic line, you better trail and close. One thing what won't happen is it won't jump up. Neither Nifty will jump up nor your call premiums. The second it goes below our magic line, you should not be holding any call. Again, you have to wait for it to cross our magic line, then only you should be able to do. It gave exit call here around 11 o'clock. So 2 hours you should have been simply sitting idle and watching. That is why I am doing something else because there was no trade at that point of time. Correct. Now wait for it to cross 600. Don't do anything. If it crosses today, there is a CA trade. If it starts making clean red candle and you get an alignment on here in the bottom with the percentage dropping and all that, then immediately get on to put. Otherwise, it will be no kind of a box move. No, I can, in fact, I can put a box also. That's it. So we have cost to cost 1,500 rupees net profit. Super on trade. Super Sagar, super. If you have taken any put trade, you can wait till it crosses magic line. Okay. Of course, that may lead to some loss also. I don't know where you have taken. Otherwise, simply wait. Because on the put side it is not showing strength. It is not showing strength. You can see that both in price so far there has not been a single put side alignment. So the chart is not telling you to take buy put anywhere. The quantity will be your friend if you are trading one lot based system. If your mind is on amount of money that you are making or losing in MTM, and that is what is driving your strategy, you will always be in problem. Forget MTM. Look at what number of points you want or percentage you want. And of course, if you have taken some other call, put, etc., you won't know. But if you have taken the table and you are entering exactly what you can configure, correct? I don't know how many people we have told. Anyway, I am showing you. So now we have added this expiry date time. I can trade next week also for this. Okay. The put I can trade next week. See, there you go. So I can trade call here, this week call, and next week put, depending upon where I have understanding, etc. So all those things you can do. So not what is being shown in the YouTube channel. If you have the subscription, so there you can go ahead, because for example, a lot of people feel much safer trading next week or following week or month end. They are all very calm people. They made money and they know where what to do. So taking a put trade now, let me just for this thing keep next week trade today, because tomorrow's put there will be a lot amount of decay. As soon as it comes up, one candle comes up, it will completely decay the value input. So the ideal strategy is, when the market is in uptrend, trade current calls, because your delta will be very strong there. Got short covering, IV explosion, all that will favor. Since the market is going uptrend, if at all you are getting any signals and you are itching to trade put, don't trade this week put, trade next week put. So this table will facilitate that. This table will facilitate that. So you can have call in this week, keep the put in next week, and then trade accordingly. Uh, just 2 minutes. Uh, okay, maybe even a better idea would be instead of this, we will do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, what I will do is I'll try to show you both 2 weeks of tables. Hmm? Those who want to do next week trading, they can do this week. So tomorrow I'll show that. Then we will see how it will help us to trade. Hmm? So we have done some major overhaul to our scalping engine. Still it is struggling. Out of two engines, we had one more backup engine that is taking trade. But the main engine which was supposed to take, so far it is not done. I don't know whether, let me see whether it has done anything. No. There seems to be some issue. Maybe team is working on that. I'll come to know. They will give me an indication when I will know when it is trade is taking, because dashboard I am seeing. is just hanging around. No, started making some small green candles on the above our magic line. I don't know. Maybe somebody is firing some AK-47 in state of Hormuz. Even then, our crude will jump. This is the problem with the news based. Okay, our charts won't tell where it will go. Hmm. Sagar, my strong suggestion is don't look at MTM, look at only points, and you blindly exit, make a system and blindly exit. If you are scaling up quantity, to learn that discipline, trade in one lot for a month with your own system. Like, say, I will exit at 25 points, I will exit at 15%, I will exit as soon as I get the irrespective whatever happens to that trade. So once you get into that groove and you have been consistently after that, you see last 15 trades, you have exactly know if it is 10 points loss, I will exit. 20 points profit, I will enter. 1 is to 2 risk reward, I will exit. So that for every 2 profitable trade, I can take 4 loss trades. 1 is to 2 means that you have that system clearly defined and you continuously do, and you go back and check for 10 days that you have strictly followed that. Then you, if you put even 100 lots, doesn't matter, because you are tuned to the 20 points and 10 points, or 20% and 5%, 10%, whatever is your system, till you able to get confidence. Yes, this is what I will do and this is what I have done for last 1 or 2 weeks. Just don't scale up. Because the problem is, once you scale up 5 lots, 10 lots, your MTM drives your psychology of holding, exiting, etc. etc. You have to get away from that. You see big scalpers, they will tell, I've watched videos the 2 3 years back and all. Many of the scalpers, you can watch. They will release the video next day like that. You will see they will tell, I want 8 points in this, and they will keep on adding, pyramiding, and so for each 8 points they will exit the first lot. So they will add 900, 900, 900 like that. First 900, once it comes 8 point, they will exit. So they will keep on exiting. They will keep putting the sale orders. I'm wanting only 8 points here. So 8 points into 900, they will pick up. That's it. That is scalping. So in the same way, in day trading, over a period of time, you should say at 20 points I will exit. There are people who watch from me. They come, take 20 points and go. That's all. So you do that, then you scale even 1500 lot. You will be in habituated to do that and you will make money. So you won't look at MTM. So there is no adrenaline or blood pressure, because you are not watching MTM. You are watching only the price point. For you, 8 is always 8. If you multiply by 100 lakhs, then only it becomes 1.5 lakhs or 2 lakhs, whatever it is. It is difficult. I'm telling you, it is very difficult. But once you achieve that, go by 1 lot, 2 lot, then 4 lot, 8 lot, like that. Yes, Venugopal, till 3:40. I spoke about it in the morning. Somebody asked me also, why is that, etc. Oh, okay. List for option trade because there is very good liquidity. Super. Only derivatives. Yeah, F&O is only no extended. That is for the right price discovery. That's it. No, Sagar, it is not for that. Only derivatives. Explained in the morning. Anyway, I will do it once more. So this is being done because the futures and shares as well as Nifty futures and Nifty spot, the last minute the spot gets adjusted because of weighted value in a stock exchange adjust, because you can't put last one trade 500 100 shares of Reliance for 5,000 rupees and jump up the thing star no Nifty price. So they calculate a weighted average and based on last previous candle average, etc. and all, they calculate and adjust the Nifty spot. But what happens by the time when it was let us assume sometimes many days 20 points 30 points and all Nifty got adjusted, but future will be already, let us say it is in plus 30, it will be plus another 30. There is no price discovery on future because stock exchange has adjusted the price. So what they are doing now, they will close the spot. People will know what is the spot, and based on the 10 minutes, they will have the price discovery. What is the correct spot, and then they will have the price discovery for 10 minutes on futures as well as on options. That is why 10 minutes got extended. Okay, clear? Mm. Hello. Except of some 6 candles in the morning, rest of the time our straight setup said I am not aligned for any side of the trade. So if you have been a very strict follower of the this thing, whatever trade you have taken here, wherever it is, correct, because the second candle, green candle, clean green candle, you would have taken anywhere in the call. I don't know, wherever it is, 590, 520, 530, because second candle high was only 539. Now even if you have taken at 539, from there you would have got minimum 20-25 points here, and then you exited, means you should have simply wait. You go that just now I spoke. What is actually happening? The main engine, no, is not taken any trade. We are trying to find out the team. So I only have the dashboard. I don't know why it has not taken trade, because we have major overall has been done on day trading range, actually opening range, sideways filter, multiple. It's a major upgrade to the engine has been done today after last week debacle. Okay. So last week and the sideways days, it lost a good amount of money. It means, in fact, it has almost 80% what it has already gained, it is given back. The first 2 weeks of profit, it's almost 60 to 70% it is given back. So that is why this major overall has taken place. This has not taken any trade. There is one more backup engine is there. That let me see. There it is, one small PE trade is running. So this is another version of it with a different config, just for us to know what is actually happening. This is running. This one is currently running. That's all. Okay. Just for information. Mm. give it some time. Okay, this week, next week, by this weekend, I think we will freeze the engine specs. That is what is expected. After that, we will seal it such a way that we don't do anything. Okay, it is already sold. So once a box is drawn, that's it. Now again, maybe it is already 1:30. Let us check where is Uncle Sam and Uncle Tom's. What are they doing? Eh? So US futures is solid up again, 332 points. Dow Jones 500 is 41 points. US Tech is around just 100 points. Entire European future is almost 1% up, 0.7% to 1%. So no fear there. So all the put lovers, be careful. Of course, we are heading into a consolidation breakout point of 24,601. By chance, if it makes a green candle, say above 622, and it starts making some candle, you will see a rush of short covering. Since tomorrow is expiry, today the trending may get done. And let me check once more our OI table. We can see up to 650, there's still good amount of CE. From 600 only, there is support. So it won't go down. It won't go up as of now today, because 57 lakhs to 1.33 crores. There is a higher concentration of call unless and until there is a reduction here. No, and there is an increment here. We may not see as of now. The table is telling 600 may not be crossed today, but I can always be wrong, and I reserve my right to be wrong. And tomorrow gap up, and people may play for a theta decay, or last 10 minutes they can add more put and get away from call. Anything can happen. As of now, you can see 2.73 crores, 1.33, 1.79 is 24,700. So that current 18 rupees they want to eat up fully. So the 580, 560, 570 may be the range today they will close. And tomorrow we may have a 30-40 points gap up. So that won't give any value addition to 24,700 call, which is at 18. So they will eat up entire 18 rupees by tomorrow 9:30. The way it looks now. Okay. Again, these are all my understanding and my view of the what is actually happening. See, they are not at all writing any put here. But see, 82 lakhs they have added, 87 lakhs they have added, 48 lakhs they have added here. Here you can see 24,650 put they are not writing. Why they are not writing means, if Nifty goes down to 550, this put which is currently at 98 rupees will jump to 150, 200 rupees like that. So it is scarier for them. If this call doubles, 18 is only 16 rupees per lot they are losing. But if this put doubles from 135 to 135, 135 rupees per lot they are losing, no? So that is why they are not writing too much put here, but while they are writing more and more call here. Now again it is trying to make a 594 APML below. Okay. Next candle, 12 seconds. Let us see whether it opens above our magic line. First alignment again after almost 1 hour, I think. Yeah, 12:25. We are getting one more alignment. See that magic line stopping it. Even though there is alignment here, okay. Price action is not supporting. Only there is momentum of a technical side. Hmm. If you are new to this channel, say hi. अगर आप पहली बार आए तो हाय बोलो, क्योंकि ये ट्रेड सेटअप का चैनल है, ये बाई सेल कॉल का चैनल नहीं है. आपको खुद को ट्रेड करना पड़ेगा अपने आप. वी टीच यू हाउ टू फिश, वी डोंट फीड यू फिश, कहते हैं ना वो चाइनीज प्रोवर्ब. Anybody new to this channel? अरे कोई नया है? The crude is still hanging around our magic line while it is above our magic line and hanging, and from the second crude went above. Nifty is below our magic line and hanging. So you can see the see here. So around this time our Nifty went below. At that same time around that crude went above. Crude is making green red candles just around our magic line. Nifty is also making up down around the magic line. That is why it is called inversely related. Mm. See 3 o'clock, maybe from 2:30 onwards, again FI will make start to come and buy. We may see Nifty trying to cross 622, and if it closes above that today, we can cheat tomorrow. Actually, they will start writing more 24,600 straddle today. That is what might have happened. See, exactly. 24,649 rupees and 66 rupees. From morning, they would have been writing 2.63, 2.48, almost a straddle. Mm. No call, no put, just stay put. Oh, that is also good. No call, no put, just stay put. No momentum, no action, no action, no action. Somebody was asking, no, why these entry prices come up? If it continue to stay in 94, people may enter now. Correct. And they will lose money. That is what the entry point float. At any given, it will keep recalculating every candle and then it will put what should be the entry point. Now people won't enter. They may see green alignment, etc., but they won't enter because the entry point price has already gone up beyond the current price. That is very clearly reflected in the way call is being written. 24,600 call is being written so much today. Correct. So it is a very, very live table. At every point of time, this table will ensure you don't get into wrong trade. You don't get into wrong trade. I'm going to ask one of my assistant to simply keep the trades, number of trades